I wanna take her to anywhere. Maybe we make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove.
Guys, welcome back to your girl's channel. It's Cindy Reacts on some music journey. You guys, today we have Sedaka's Back album, 1974 by Sedaka. I do believe that's how you pronounce it. Laughter in the Rain. Let's get straight into it. Let's see what they bring to the table. If I can connect the dots, get the full meaning and the idea of it, you guys. Let's see what he brings to the table when it comes to music. First time ever, new artist to the channel. So let your girl know more fun facts and how you guys feel about them down in the comments, and I'll eventually get to them. Let's go, you guys. You know, guys, I get geeked when we listen to new artists, so I do believe it's live, so make sure you guys put your comments down below. Let's go. Laughter in the Rain.
Strolling along country roads with my baby. It starts to rain, it begins to pour. Without an umbrella, we're soaked to the skin. I feel a shiver run up my spine. I feel the warmth of her hand in mine. Ooh, I hear laughter in the rain, walking hand in hand with the one I love. Ooh, how I love the rainy days and the happy way I feel inside.
Details.
After a while we run under a train. I turn to her and she kisses me. There with the beat of the rain on the leaves, soft as she breathes and I close my eyes. Sharing our love under stormy skies. Ooh, I hear laughter in the rain, walking hand in hand with the one I love. Ooh, how I love the rainy days and the happy way I feel inside. Play it for me.
Yes, that new love, it just gives you a different feeling, you know. Especially you're attracted to them and you're trying to get invested, you know, you're falling over heels. I mean, the details he got into it too. You could just picture this love. This new love.
I feel the warmth of her hand in mine. Ooh, I hear laughter in the rain, walking hand in hand with the one I love. Ooh, how I love the rainy days and the happy way I feel inside. Do it again. Ooh, I hear laughter in the rain, walking hand in hand with the one I love. Ooh, how I love the rainy days and the happy way I feel inside. I'm feeling happy inside.
Happy.
Feeling happy inside.
Love gives him a brand new feeling. I mean, makes him feel brand new. Inside, you know, you just get that one feeling and tender feeling like this might be going somewhere. This might be going somewhere. I mean, the uprising in his voice was definitely nice. He held on to his notes. Oh gosh. Laughter in the Rain. So this is nice rain, not a cloudy, dark rain, depression rain. This is a happy, joyful perspective of love. Interview with Phil Cody, he explained Neil had a house in New York, which was Catskills. We were going to up there and spend a few days, summertime. The things that I met a new lover. I didn't want to go up there. And when I got there, I was kind of hostile, whole process. I never said anything to Neil about it, but after thinking about it, I just wanted to get the songs written, get back to my city with my new girlfriend. So this is him missing his girlfriend. Oh, this is appreciating her too. Like, damn, I'm really feeling you. I'm really feeling you. Definitely love his voice, you guys. Let's see what else he can bring to the table. What else more he can bring to the table. So put more titles down in the comments, you guys. Love it, everybody. Couldn't go wrong with that. His voice was amazing too. Laughter in the Rain. You guys let me know how you guys felt when you first heard it. More titles and more fun facts about him.